Hey guys, welcome back. Your boy Chris here with video number 4 in our 30 for 30 financial fix challenge. Okay, we're helping 30 families over the next 30 days start their journey towards financial independence through the powers and strategies of income shifting and financial education. That's what we're all about. No joke here, no fluff, no hype, none of that crap. Okay, so let's get to it. Now, if you missed out on the first few videos, just go subscribe to my YouTube channel, check them out, and come back anytime you want, okay? You can, in video number 1, you're gonna learn about the most two important financial objectives that we all need to meet. The next video talks about the first challenge of inflation, and then the next video is about taxes, learn everything about taxes. And in this video here, I wanna talk to you about the second highest expense that all of us incur personally and in business, and that's debt. Debt and taxes are the highest expense items on anybody's budget. Your personal budget, your personal income statement, and even in a business income statement. Taxes and debt, number 1 and 2, always. Now, why those two? They work together, okay? They work together, people. Check this out. The government comes in and right off the top, they snatch a third of your paycheck. Gone forever, my friends, right? It's gone. Well, unless you know how to get it back. That's what we teach. Now, we end up, because we lost a third of our paycheck, you end up going to the banks, getting loans, getting high interest loans, high interest credit cards, just to pay for stuff that you should have had the money to begin with if you would have not lost so much tax, right? You get it? So if you would have had your tax, you wouldn't have had to go and get so many loans or use so much credit cards. So that's what happens. So you throw in interest in there, and most people don't understand compound interest and credit card interest and amortized interest. That's costing up to thousands percentage points of interest. And guess what, guys? That's interest that is going from your pocket, and you're paying off those bankers' kids' college tuition. Okay? All that interest, the banks are using it. The majority of your payment goes towards interest. This much goes towards interest, this much goes towards your balance to actually pay down your loan for years and years and years. They're counting on that. Okay, you need to take that back. That's another wealth transfer that needs to come back into your pocket, guys. Okay, so you see, a lot of people think, man, I have an income problem. I need to make more money. I need to figure out how to make more money. How do I make more money? I need more income. I need a higher income. I need to find a better job, another business. I need to start another business. It's not an income problem, people. It's a cash flow problem. Most people make enough money to make a decent living. The problem is their cash flow. What they have left staying in their pocket is not enough because they're giving it all away. After giving it to the government and then giving it to the banks, you're third in line, right? You're third in line for your own money. That's why people feel broke, and that's why people are broke, because they have a cash flow problem, and that's part of our strategies that we teach. Okay, so don't worry. It's all strategy, guys. It's all strategy. That's part of our financial challenge, is teaching you guys, saying, look, here's the blueprint for you to regain control of your cash flow. Step 1, 2, 3, do exactly this, and this, and you start to see results. Okay, you start to see results. It's not overnight results, guys, because it took a while to dig ourselves into the holes that we're in, so it's going to take a little while to dig out. But if you have the discipline and you have the strategies and you have the help that people like us provide, then it's real easy to get out of that hole. It just takes a little bit of time. That's all, and the know-how. Okay, so guys, if you want to regain your cash flow, like I want my children, I have 3 children out there going into the world of adulthood, and they're starting to work and all that. I want to see them succeed. I don't want them to fall in the same holes that I fell in life financially. I want my children to succeed financially. I'm not going to give them everything because they need to learn how to survive, right? You can't give your kids everything or they're not survivors. My kids are going to be survivors, but it doesn't mean that I'm not going to educate them and help them. And that's what I want to do for you and your family. That's why this is 30 families that I'm helping in the next 30 days. I want you to regain your cash flow, you and your whole family. I want all you and your whole family to regain your cash flow because someday we're going to meet in person and I want to give you that hug. I want to see your smile. I want to see you happy because you say, Chris, thank you. You helped me, and I hope I can bless as many of you as possible, guys. Anyways, if you want to hook up with me, you want me to send you and forward you some more in-depth videos, get you started on your financial path sooner than later, text me at 210-418-1904. Text me the words debt be gone because we want that debt out of here, guys, right? So text me the words debt be gone. Text me to my mobile at 210-418-1904 and I will respond and reply personally same day. Again, send it to 210-418-1904. Debt be gone, and let's get this started. Let's get you started, and we'll see you in the next video, guys, okay? Peace out.